Hey guys, and welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and cutting-edge gadgets. Today, we're diving into the heart of your kitchen with our list of the top 5 kitchen gadgets you should buy in 2024. From time-saving appliances to innovative cooking tools, we've handpicked these essentials to revolutionize your culinary experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button below to stay updated with our latest gadget reviews. Links to all the featured products can be found in the description box below. Let's upgrade your kitchen game. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the Braun MultiQuick 5 Immersion Hand Blender. This powerful kitchen gadget boasts a 350-watt motor that delivers exceptional performance. What sets it apart is the patented power bell system, which features ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a unique bell-shaped blending shaft. This design reduces suction and draws food inward, resulting in finer and smoother blends. The innovative splash control technology ensures that the floral bell shape and the positioning of the blades virtually eliminate splashing, making cleanup a breeze. Next, we have the Lord Eagle Hand Mixer Electric. This 400-watt powerhouse is designed for all your baking needs. Featuring 5 speeds with an ejection button, this mixer allows you to choose the perfect speed for any task, from slow mixing to fast whipping. Note that the storage box and the mixer don't snap on, and you need to adjust to 0 speed to eject the attachments. The hand mixer's all-pure copper motor distinguishes it from other mixers on the market, delivering a minimum speed of 300 watts and peaking at 400 watts on the highest setting. This means you can mix dough, eggs, milk, butter, cake, or cream quickly and efficiently. Moving on to number 3, the HOMEASY vacuum sealer is a must-have for preserving food freshness. This automatic food vacuum sealer machine offers 2 modes, seal only and vacuum seal. It can keep vegetables and meats fresh up to 7 times longer than traditional storage methods, locking in nutrition and flavor. The hands-free one-touch operation is incredibly user-friendly. Simply place the seal bag in the vac pack machine, press the button, and let the high-power motor remove the air in seconds. The machine automatically stops when the process is complete, indicated by a green light. Its slim, lightweight design makes it easy to store and portable, saving valuable kitchen space. Our runner-up is the Meter Plus wireless smart meat thermometer, ideal for both indoor and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. This smart thermometer is completely wire-free, offering unparalleled freedom and flexibility. It features Bluetooth 5 with a long range of over 1,000 feet in open air, though the average range is about 165 feet within typical home environments. The Meter Plus allows you to monitor your cooking progress through a free app available for both iOS and Android devices. It's the perfect gift for any chef, whether they love to BBQ or cook at home. Finally, our top pick is the original under-cabinet jar opener. This gadget is a game-changer for anyone with weak hands or arthritis, as well as seniors. The V-shaped design with sharp dual carbon steel teeth grips the lid, making it effortless to open any size jar or bottle. Mounted securely under a cabinet, it frees up counter and drawer space. Invented over 40 years ago, this jar opener has stood the test of time, helping people make life easier in the kitchen. Unlike rubber jar openers that slip or handheld openers that require significant effort, the grip never fails. It's useful for those with limited hand strength, arthritis, or other disabilities.